In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with 1password. If you're looking for a straightforward and secure way to manage your passwords, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First, head over to the official 1password website. This is the central hub for their password management and extended access features, providing everything you need to keep your online account secure. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for 1password. You'll find yourself on their homepage, where the journey to improved security begins. Once you're on the 1password website, the next step is to create a 1password account. This is crucial as it serves as the foundation for managing all your passwords. Click on the Sign Up or Create an Account button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. You'll need to provide an email address and create a master password. Now, this master password is exceptionally important since it safeguards all your other passwords. So choose something strong and memorable. Try to avoid using common phrases or easily guessed combinations. Once you've done this, you should receive a confirmation email. Follow the link provided to verify your account. With your account set up, it's time to install the 1password apps. These apps are available for multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, allowing you to manage your passwords across all your devices seamlessly. Navigate to the download section on the website or search for 1password in your device's app store. Follow the prompts to install the application just like you would for any other app. Once installed, you'll log in using your account credentials and voila! You're now ready to start managing passwords more efficiently. With 1password apps on your devices, you'll always have access to your login information, no matter where you are. Now, let's talk about organizing your passwords. This is where vaults come into play. Vaults are a feature within 1password that allows you to categorize your passwords and sensitive information, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. For example, you can create separate vaults for personal use, work-related accounts, and even shared vaults with family or team members if needed. To do this, simply navigate to the Vault section within the 1password app and start adding new vaults as you see fit. You can name each vault accordingly and move existing passwords into these designated areas. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to getting started with 1password. In just a few simple steps, you've moved toward a more secure digital life. Remember, staying organized and using strong, unique passwords is key in today's online world. Thank you for watching, and soon you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your online accounts are secure.